Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make biscuits soft. The secret to truly tender biscuits starts with your ingredients. Always use very cold butter, cut into small, pea-sized pieces. This creates steam pockets during baking, resulting in a flaky, soft interior. Buttermilk is also crucial. Its acidity reacts with baking soda, giving your biscuits a beautiful rise and a delicate tang. Finally, self-rising flour provides consistent leavening for that perfect, soft texture. Once your ingredients are ready, gentle handling is key. Overworking the dough develops gluten, which makes biscuits tough, not soft. Mix just until the ingredients are combined and the dough barely comes together. Then, fold the dough over itself a few times, perhaps 3 or 4, to create those wonderful flaky layers. When cutting, press straight down with your biscuit cutter. Twisting seals the edges and inhibits rise, making them less soft. Baking temperature and placement significantly impact softness. Preheat your oven to a high temperature, typically around 450 degrees Fahrenheit, to ensure a quick high rise. Arrange your biscuits so they are touching on the baking sheet. This helps them steam each other, resulting in softer, more tender sides. As soon as they come out of the oven, brush the tops generously with melted butter for an extra layer of flavor and moisture, enhancing their softness. To achieve the softest biscuits, avoid common pitfalls. Never use warm or softened butter. It won't create the necessary steam for flakiness. Also, resist the urge to add too much liquid. A slightly shaggy dough is perfect. Over-kneading is another common mistake that leads to tough biscuits. Remember, gentle hands make happy biscuits. For more great tips and deals, including a link for Little Tree's black ice to keep your car smelling fresh, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.